morning, National Dayers. It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Wednesday, September 15th. Happy National Cheese Toast Day.
On September 15th, National Cheese Toast Day savors the cheesy goodness of this classic dish. Simple but delicious, cheese and toast go well together. A little butter helps everything meld together nicely too. The crustier the bread, the better. It makes an excellent side dish, but cheese toast also serves up a satisfying snack. It might surprise many to know the treat was created by Del Johnson. In 1958, he opened his first Sizzler restaurant. It was an instant success, and although the recipe changed a bit over the years, the concept of cheese toast hasn't. Over 60 years later, cheese toast continues to be a favorite dish across the country, with the best cheeses and bread served up as an appetizer with soup or with the main course. Cheese toast pairs well with many dishes.
Today's shout out goes out to all of the staff and working adults at Pottstown Developmental Enterprises Corporation in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you all for your support, and I hope you have a great day over there in Pottstown. Teachers, if you would like to give your class a shout out on my show, send an email to nationaldaywithmrse@gmail.com.
Today is also National Linguine Day, National Felt Hat Day, National Double Cheeseburger Day, National Tackle Kids Cancer Day, National Neonatal Nurses Day, National Online Learning Day, and Green Peace Day. Time for another 4-ingredient recipe. Today, we're tackling cheese toast. Let's start with the ingredients. Of course, the first thing you're going to need is a slice of bread. And then we're going to go with some shredded cheese. And then how about a couple slices of American cheese? And then for the fourth ingredient, this one's pretty important, another slice of bread. So start by putting some parchment paper on a baking sheet to keep it from sticking to the baking sheet. And then we're going to do a little science experiment today. Let's see what melts better, sliced cheese or shredded cheese. First, lay out your 2 slices of bread. On one slice of bread, put the sliced cheese, and on the other slice of bread, put the shredded cheese. Super easy, right? Then carefully transfer the bread over to the baking sheet. Into the oven it goes on broil. Now you just keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. Be super careful. It only takes about 3 minutes. And you're done. Next comes the taste test to see which you like better.
Okay, National Dayers, what a fun experiment! And we still got to fit in the 4 ingredients, so I'm pretty happy. So the cheddar cheese, which was the shredded cheese, is a little greasy. And then it looks like, I think I liked the sliced cheese a little better. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'll put them together and have myself a cheese toast grilled cheese. Keep smiling, National Dayers. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Cheesy.